Hello, welcome to a video of Floppy Bird. Basically, Floppy Bird just I can get on my phone. So let's get to it. Best is 5. Yay. I originally did do a bit of the video, but so it cut off. So keeping it, but I got to 5, and that's not really good. Let's go. Let's use tactic. What? Die, Flappy Bird. Die, Flappy Bird. Die. Flappy Bird. I hate this game. I'm going to kill the creators. I got to 9 at least. I don't have a new message. Add to me ads. I could have got 11. God damn you. Wait, what the hell was that? That's bountiful Flappy Bird. What? No. 9, 9, 9, 9. God damn you. I got 15. Them ads, guys, I can't do nothing about them. They're in-game match. The ultimate feel-good show. Go again. My mum told me to song. Not really. Novel. Oh God! Stop reading. Guys, this is channels for entertainment, and I might activate monetization the videos. Maybe. God damn it. I might. I'll see you. So. I'm gonna put this Flappy Bird rage. Rage is real. God damn you! Jesus Christ. God damn you! Die! Die, Flappy Bird! Die, Flappy Bird! Die! Winning this game is not what Play Now, Cartoon Network, The Amazing World of Gumball. It is to win. Be patient and win. We're going to try a bit more. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna have a fit, I swear to God. Oh my God! Jesus Christ, I've never read this much. In me, another gun! I will, little weed eyes! I'll flipping rip off your little... You're not a real bird. God damn you, I could get just a little rating. I rate this 0. I just said 5. Oh God damn it, sir! And that's a video, people. Goddamn floppy bird!